In today's video, we're diving into the best screen recorder apps for Android that can help you capture your screen effortlessly. Whether you want to create tutorials, record gaming sessions, or share your device's screen, these apps have the features you need. Let's get started. ADV Screen Recorder. ADV Screen Recorder is one of the most popular screen recording apps available for Android users. It allows you to capture high-quality videos of your screen activities without needing root access. The app is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a clean interface that makes it easy to start and stop recordings with just one tap. Besides screen recording, ADV offers features like the ability to record internal audio, add a front-facing camera overlay, and edit videos after recording. Users can also record in various resolutions and bit rates, making it a versatile choice for gaming, tutorials, or any screen activity. ADV Screen Recorder. ADV Screen Recorder is another excellent app that provides a wide range of features for recording your screen. The app supports both front and back camera recording, allowing users to incorporate their reactions into the videos, which is great for tutorials and game streaming. ADV Screen Recorder features a user-friendly interface and supports various video resolutions and frame rates. Users can annotate their recordings in real time, making it easier to highlight important parts during demonstrations. The app also includes an easy editing tool that allows you to trim or cut parts of your recorded video, enhancing your editing flexibility. Glip Screen Recorder. Glip Screen Recorder is a simple yet effective screen recording app tailored for those looking for a straightforward recording experience. It offers features such as high-quality video capture, adjustable screen resolution, and options to record internal audio as well as microphone input. Glip is known for its minimalistic design, making it easy for users to navigate and access the recording controls quickly. The app also allows users to capture screenshots and manage their recorded files conveniently. With its focus on ease of use, Glip is ideal for users who want to create quick recordings without any complicated features. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of ADV Screen Recorder, ADV Screen Recorder, and Glip Screen Recorder helps you find the perfect app for all your screen recording needs. Until next time, happy recording!